Today, we're diving into something big, how you can start making money with e-commerce, even if you're struggling financially right now. But before we get into the details, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone you think might benefit. And follow us across our social media platforms, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, X, and Instagram, so you don't miss any of our free tips and strategies to help you build wealth. Let's jump in. We know that financial stress is at an all-time high. It's a pervasive issue affecting millions of people across the globe. The constant worry about money can be overwhelming, impacting not just your wallet, but your mental and physical health as well. Maybe you're dealing with one or more of these common struggles. These challenges are not just numbers on a page. They are real, tangible issues that affect your daily life and future. Living paycheck to paycheck and saving, forget about it. This cycle can feel never-ending, leaving you with little room for emergencies or unexpected expenses. Mounting debt, credit cards, student loans, medical bills, they just keep piling up, and paying them off feels impossible. The interest rates seem to grow faster than your ability to pay, creating a mountain of debt that feels insurmountable. Job insecurity. Whether it's layoffs, company closures, or just the lack of job growth, so many people feel like their financial security is slipping away. The uncertainty of not knowing if you'll have a job tomorrow can be paralyzing. Inflation. The cost of everything, gas, groceries, rent, is skyrocketing, and your paycheck doesn't stretch as far as it used to. This constant rise in living costs can make it feel like you're running a race you can't win. No retirement plan. Many people aren't saving for retirement or don't even know where to start. The future can seem daunting when you have no clear path to financial security in your later years. If you're in this situation, you're not alone. Sound familiar? These issues are widespread, and acknowledging them is the first step towards finding a solution. Together, we can explore ways to alleviate these burdens and work towards a more secure financial future. Remember, there are resources and strategies available to help you navigate these challenges. You don't have to face them alone. E-commerce is one of the fastest-growing industries today, revolutionizing the way we shop and do business. With the click of a button, you can access a global marketplace, offering endless opportunities for both buyers and sellers. It's accessible to just about anyone with an internet connection, breaking down geographical barriers and opening up a world of possibilities. Whether you're in a bustling city or a remote village, e-commerce connects you to the world. Imagine this. You start an online store selling products that people are already looking for. You can tap into niche markets, cater to specific customer needs, and offer unique products that stand out. You can work from home, set your own hours, and build a business that grows with you. This flexibility allows you to balance work and personal life, making it ideal for parents, students, or anyone seeking a better work-life balance. Over time, it can provide an additional stream of income or even replace your current job. As your business grows, so does your potential for financial independence and success. Our course will guide you step by step on how to launch, grow, and succeed in the world of e-commerce. We provide you with the tools, strategies, and insights needed to navigate this dynamic industry. And if you think it's hard or expensive to get started, don't worry. E-commerce platforms today offer affordable solutions with low startup costs and minimal overhead. You can start small and scale up as your business grows. Plus, you'll join a community of like-minded entrepreneurs, sharing experiences and learning from each other. This network can be invaluable as you navigate the challenges and celebrate the successes of your e-commerce journey. The e-commerce landscape is constantly evolving, and staying informed about market trends and consumer behavior is crucial. Our course will keep you updated, ensuring you remain competitive and innovative. Ultimately, e-commerce offers a pathway to achieving your dreams, whether it's financial freedom, personal fulfillment, or simply more time to enjoy life. Embrace the future of commerce and start your journey today. Imagine you're someone who's been living paycheck to paycheck, working a regular job and barely scraping by. Each month, you find yourself anxiously waiting for the next paycheck, only to see it vanish almost instantly as you pay off bills and other expenses. The stress of financial instability is a constant companion, and the dream of financial freedom seems just that, a distant dream. You decide to give e-commerce a shot. After hearing success stories and reading about the potential of online businesses, you feel a spark of hope. The idea of being your own boss and working from anywhere is incredibly appealing. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, learning, and perseverance. you understand that success in e-commerce is a journey, not an overnight transformation. The skills you acquire and the lessons you learn are invaluable, setting the foundation for long-term success. It takes effort, but our course will guide you through each part of the process to give you the best chance at success. With expert guidance, practical tips, and a supportive community, you'll have the tools you need to navigate the challenges and seize the opportunities in the world of e-commerce. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a full-fledged business, the possibilities are endless. Ready to get started? Sign up for our e-commerce course. We know finances might be tight, so we're offering flexible payment options. You can spread out the cost to make it more manageable and take that first step toward financial independence without breaking the bank. Remember, this is a small commitment toward creating real change in your life. For less than what most people spend on coffee each month, you could be learning how to build an income stream that could pay dividends for years to come. Why should you take this course? Here's the answer. It's about building a better financial future for yourself and your loved ones. E-commerce gives you the freedom to create your own income, control your time, and reduce stress about bills, debt, or job instability. And it's easy to start with our course. We provide you with the blueprint from choosing the right products to setting up your store and marketing it. So, if you're feeling that financial pressure, this is your chance to change things. Don't wait. Make today the day you start building a better future. Click the link in the description to get started with our e-commerce course and take that first step toward financial freedom. And remember, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We've got tons of free tips on building wealth across all our social media channels. Follow us on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, X, and Instagram for more great content that's designed to help you thrive financially. Thanks so much for watching. Take that first step, sign up, start learning, and let's make 2024 the year you gain control over your financial future. See you in the next video.